Hi, myself Gautam Kumar TM from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today I'm going to be explaining about sensor fusion techniques in embedded systems. These are the few contents that I will explain in this presentation. Let me start from the introduction. Embedded systems are revolutionizing the way we interact with world. Sensor fusion techniques combining multiple sensors to provide more accuracy. This presentation will discuss about the sensor fusion techniques can be used to optimize the embedded systems. Next, just an overview of an embedded systems. As the name suggests, embedded means something that is attached to another thing. And embedded systems can be thought of a computer hardware system having a software embedded in it. An embedded systems can be independent system or a part of a large system. An embedded system is a microcontroller or microprocessor based system which is designed to perform a specific task. This is just a overview of an embedded system. Let's move on to the topic. Let's see some basic sensors used. Temperature sensor, which is used to measure the temperature. Light sensor, which is used to measure the intensity or presence of light. Pressure sensor, which is used to measure the fluid present or the measurement of the atmospheric pressure. Humidity sensor, which is used to measure the moisture in air. Motion sensor, which is used to relate motion or movement of in a surrounding area, often used in cameras, etc. These are some basic sensors used. Let's see what is the need of sensor fusion. Using sensor fusion, we can increase accuracy, which can give the perfect data we need, and it is power effective, which can be done in a less time. And this use of sensor fusion, we can reduce the time we need to do a specific task. Also, using this sensor fusion, we have many advantages. We can do specific tasks easily, and we can combine more data at the same time. These are some few need of sensor fusions. Now, let's get into the sensor fusion techniques. This is one of the type of technique we use for sensor fusion. Command filtering. This is widely used technique in embedded system. For a state embedded system sensor fusion, it is an optimal reducive algorithm that combines measurements of sensor with mathematical model of system to estimate the truth statement of a system. Noise filtering. Noise filtering is a way that we cancel the extra noise or the sound. Tracking and tracking or localization. This is a way of we track known as GPS or the other. Real-time processing. This is used in some of the sensors where we can track live data and record the data. Sensor fusion. This is a use of combining many sensors and making as a one sensor. This this technique can be used for many ways, and this main of the main part of the sensor is the algorithm and mathematical model of the system. Next, we move on to the next technique, neural neural networks. This is a type of technique we use for combining many things to make a single embedded system, like object recognition clarification. As As the name suggests, it recognizes an object and specifies the type of an object. Speech and natural language processing. This is used for recognizing the voice and the language we use for voice and text. Medical diagnosis and monitoring. This sensor fusion technique also used in medical and which used for combining data both mathematical and digital ways and monitoring the data. Next, sensor data processing. This is one of the important part of this technique where the data we get from the embedded system is classified in a particular way that we need. This is the type of neural networks. Next, we go to the application of sensor fusion. We'll see some application of sensor fusions. Vehicles. Here, sensor fusion used in the embedded system are placed in vehicles for such as input combinations for cameras, radars, and other sensors. These sensors helps for the safety of vehicles and also improves the vehicle's quality. Next is robotics. These sensor fusions, which are placed inside the or placed in the embedded systems used in robotics, are used for locating themselves and safe navigating. These embedded systems are most important part of robotics. Next, IoT, Internet of Things. Sensor fusion in IoT devices are allows for better environmental sensing, content awareness, and effective resource management. Industrial monitoring. Sensor fusion is used in industrial monitoring systems to direct optimizing process and ensure safety. And these are the few applications of sensor fusion. For the last, we go for conclusion. We saw sensor fusion techniques are a very important tool for optimizing the image systems. By combining data from multiple sensors, we can improve the accuracy, reduce errors, and increase the outcome of a embedded system. Embedded systems becomes more prevalent when we use sensor fusion, and this plays a crucial role in development and optimizing the embedded system. Thank you for kindly seeing this. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.